This presentation breaks the fourth wall. Instead of a single narrator, all seven members portray Albert Einstein at different stages of his life or as personifications of his greatest theories. By multiplying Einstein, the group demonstrates that his genius was not a single moment in time, but a continuous evolution of thought.
I am the young Albert Einstein. I am the boy who wondered while my peers memorized facts. I stared at this needle. It pointed north, guided by an invisible hand. People call me a genius, but I was simply a man who never stopped asking why. I could ride a beam of light. I wonder what the world would look like. This question was the seed of my revolution.
They relegated me to a desk in Bern, Switzerland, a third-class technical expert. But while I checked patent designs for clocks, I was rethinking time itself. In 1905, I realized that time is not absolute. It is a stubborn illusion. Your now is not my now. If we move at different speeds, I wasn't just a clerk. I was rewriting the laws of the universe.
I am Einstein, who won the Nobel Prize. Everyone focused on relativity, but I proved that the light is not just a wave, it is made of quanta or photons. When light hits metal, it's not the electron, lose the billiard board. This discovery, the photoelectric effect, changed everything. Without my curiosity about light, the digital world we live today would be dark.
I look at the stars and I saw a fabric. Gravity is not a mysterious rule. It is the geometry space. Imagine a heavy ball on a tarpaulin. It curves the surface. That is how the sun curves space. And the planets simply follow the curves. This is general relativity. I thought the world that space and time are one. Space-time.
I am the messenger of the most famous equation in history. I discovered that energy and mass are two sides of the same coin. A tiny amount of matter holds a monstrous amount of energy. It is the secret of the stars, and eventually the secret of atom. Power beyond measure, hidden in the heart of grain of sand. My discoveries were used to create a weapon I never invented. I have always been a pacifist, a man of peace. I wrote to President Roosevelt out of fear that others would harness the atom for destruction. Knowledge is a tool, but without a moral compass, it is a danger. I spent my later years reminding the world that we must be humans first and scientists second.
I am the Einstein that remains. I am the posters on your wall, the equation in your book, and the voice that tells you to stay curious. My life was not about the answer, but about the beauty of mystery. As I once said, that the most incomprehensible thing about the world is that it is all comprehensible. We are all Einstein when we dare to look the stars and ask why.
Albert Einstein's life was a testament to the power of human imagination. By challenging the absolute nature of time and space, he did more than just solve equations. He shaped the very foundation of how we perceive our place in the cosmos, from microscopic dance of photons to the grand curvature of the universe. His legacy lives in every smartphone, every satellite, and every mind that dared to ask, what if? As we conclude this Odysseus, remember that the science is not just a collection of facts, it is a never ending journey of curiosity.